Okay, so in this video, we'll learn how to create Boolean in Zbrush. So there's very important tool in Zbrush for how to make Boolean. Okay, so I'll show you very simple way, very simple examples with primitive objects. Then you can use your own creative mind and you can make in production style. Right, so let us start. So for that, you have to create some primitives. So I'll go to this. Then let me take one cube. So in subtool, Q is there, but to work on this, you have to make polymesh. Okay. So let us drag this. Let us drag this and go to the edit mode. If you want to work on this, then you have to immediately convert to make polymesh 3D. If you want to sculpt or you want to do boolean anything, then you can go further. Right. So make polymesh 3D. Then this is done. Right. So you can see the Q name is changed PM3D like that. Then right now once it is done, then you can append another object, right? So say you want to make one hole on this. So let us take one cylinder, append, and let us take one cylinder, right? So cylinder, it is also converted to polymesh 3D already. So that's why it is written PM3D. So not on the cylinder. So it means it is done, make polymesh 3D. So now we can scale. So we can go to the scale mode and we can scale it. Sorry. Right now cube is selected. So select the cylinder layer and scale it. Right. So scale. So this scale and scale this way, y-axis. So one axis. This is the overall scaling. Middle one. So middle one is overall scaling, and this is the y-axis scaling. So like that, we can make the things how you need, right? So now this cylinder size, the what is the radius, we are making the hole. So come back to the again draw mode. So what you do here, in the first layer, you can make this one as a start mode. Okay. So this one I'm going to make the boolean. So this you can have, so you can see this small buttons are here. So we have this plus means union. This is subtraction. This is interaction. Intersect. Sorry. So one is intersect, one is union, one is subtract. So three things are there. So if you click the subtract, so nothing is happening because you have to click this live boolean. So once it is done, you can see the live boolean is done. If you go for union, so both will be added, right? If you go for subtraction, third one, then what is the common area? So this is your common area, means from here to here is the common area for both. So that will be same, right? So subtract will be the difference area, right? And the first one will be both will be adding. All right. So let us take one more example. Say append. So this one I'll do subtract. All right. So let us append one sphere. You can take, right. So you can move the sphere. All right. So sphere is not move. So select the sphere and move. And sorry. So move, and we can keep it somewhat scale. Make it small. So this area I would like to have cut. Okay. So I want to subtract like this. So now this you want to subtract again. You can see the things here. Even after that also you can move wherever you want to place it, like that you can place also. Even you also this is happening live, right? So you can change the positions. Even you also cylinder you can take and change the positions you want to make here, like to make like this, or you can make a lot of geometrical objects, mechanical objects, right? So you can make according to your convenient, right? So this is very cool tool in ZBrush, and you can make a lot of object models, hard surface modeling with according to your requirement, right? So even if you take one more, if you like, you can take one more and make one more thing. So like that, you can have multiple subtract objects and you can make your requirements, right? So once it is done, so if you like boolean make it off, then again it will come back, right? So you want to permanently want to do this is you satisfied, everything's fine. Then what you have to do, you have to go to boolean options. You can see under subtool there is boolean options. You can see. So make boolean mesh. So what will happen? This will generate separately. So how to get that? So you can go to the append tool, right? You can go to the append tool and you can see this is your final one, right? You can see the preview here, what is done here, right? So after that also, even if you live boolean, make it off. Okay, these things will come back, so you can off that, and this one make it on, right? So all those things you can disable, invisible, and this one make visible. So finally this is your product, right? So this you can use for the next other things. You can keep it any changes if you want, then again you can make to make final product, again you can go for make boolean mesh. So if you enable that, then this will enable, right? So hope you understood how to use the boolean. Maybe it will be useful for you. So hope, so thank you for watching.